Pero gusto ko sana gumawa ng video na sure makaka-annoying. Okay, so medyo ba ano pa rin ako. Okay. So we have a very wonderful topic that we will talk about in this short video, and I hope you will be interested. Because this topic is about SWA, and a lot of people are annoying in SWA. Did you know that a lot of people are annoying? Because two cases, because they are not earning. But let me introduce myself. I am James Cleve, and honestly, I'm not earning. I am not earning because I am training first myself, because I know that money will follow. So a lot of people are joining because of false expectation and false belief that if they join, they will earn, and it's they see SW is like a lottery, but the truth is not. You need to sacrifice. You need you need you need to explore, and a lot of things you need. Even panggalaw or continuous budget, effort, time, money, you need, because it's a long term. Okay, so if you join, I will give example. If you join in the SWA, if you do not earn in your first month, okay, I understand you. Me, honestly, I do not earn my first month. I do not earn my second month. Still now, I am not earning. But the point is, you need to train yourself to make your skills to the next level. Okay? You need to do something that you will make you different from other networkers. I will give some examples. What are ano ba yung mga karaniwang ginagawa ng mga networkers? Kung paano ba iba yung mga sarili mo sa kanila, di ba? Let's give me an example. A lot of networkers are tagging. Okay? A lot of networkers are spamming. A lot of networkers are doing the wrong in an effective way. Oh, YouTube to! YouTube to! YouTube to! Kailan? YouTube to eh. Oy! Nako po! May humor na. Migil ka nga dyan. Ay, kumigil ka dyan ha. Tay, Mek! Magawa ako ng video dito eh. Ano ba naman yun? Ah! Hindi ka na, Mek! Sorry. Sorry for the distractions. I am doing this video. Seryoso na eh. I am doing this video for your knowledge. For motivation, okay, inspiration, anything else. But I like to inform you that you need to acquire more skills, knowledge to gain to gain a perfect to gain a perfect timing. Wala na ni Chudoro eh, no? To gain a perfect timing, to gain a perfect time, will give you a perfect score. Damn, kung ano na eh. Napipiste na ako dito. Kunyari, ito powder. Kunyari, ito yung powder. Oh, kanol pa!
Masayangin yan. Hindi sila
Ay na. Feel free with powder. Wala na kang powder eh. Konti lang yun. Okay. Kunyari, nakikita mo yung problema mo dahil hindi ka pa nag-earn. So, eto yun. Ganyan yung problem mo. Okay? Di ba ang layo? Ang liit. Pero pag dyan ka lang tumingin, and ang laki. Di ba? Para mas maintindihan mo kung ano pinapunto ko. That's mean, if you focus on the problem, it will make bigger. But if you focus to the right thing and find a better solution, or strategies that will make your business different for others, and you will be different. Okay, you will be phenomenal. And I am always saying that. Sakit! Tinis! Aray ko! Ay, naku. Magkakapisti-pisti na dito. Okay, so find first the solution. Find first new strategies, new system that will work. Not doing the effective, not the ineffective. Okay?
Upload na naman yan. Hayop ka.
Oy, may kakaito daw ba yun dyan, ha? Tungin ng ingay! Maingay! Puta naman eh. Sisira nyo. Putangin na ka. Gago. Okay, so making me sense. Okay, tapusin na natin tong video na to. Oh, pulang ako. Tapusin na natin tong video na to. Okay? Pero ito na yung huling words o speech ko na sana intindihin mo at unawain mo para magkaroon ka ng resulta, pati rin ako. Kasi kung gagawin mo yung mga ineffective strategies, it will took you a long time and a long period before you get your expect results. But if you do the effective ways or effective strategies or effective system, it will give you an effective results. Does it make sense? Yes, that's it. That's it. That's why I highly recommend that do the effective strategies, not the old strategies that are ineffective nowadays. Okay, so I will cut this video for that, and I hope you learn something and you learn a very content about this video, and I hope I help you. If you ina Bini, tagol ka nga lang. Kung nakatulong tong video na to, you can spread it or share it if you want. Kung ayaw mo, fine. Joke lang. But alahanin yung sinasabi ko na you need to have an effective strategies para magkaroon ka rin ng effective method goals, diba? Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you and it helped mine. Okay, so thank you for watching this, and next video pag-usapan natin in what are the bad effects of tagging. Okay, so wait for my next video and subscribe on my channel. So thank you for watching this. Babu!